Hello guys,
Time to
yes,
clean
welcome back to
baby
family
ear.
blog. Today, this evening we have clean ear.
Baby ear.
Yeah, it's the best memory for my family.
He like to clean.
I like a king.
H-man baby.
Big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Everyone see his face.
I want to see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's still silent.
Oh my God. It's still seven.
Yeah.
Mà chấm mày. Bà. Đợi.
In the evening.
My family always clean ear every month for my kids.
Bedtime.
Yeah, so they are like to clean. And everyone when the evening before sleep they ask daddy to clean ear. Yes, we have 3 sons. Big one 8 years old, and second one 3 years old, and the youngest son is 8 months.
How about Ming Ming want to clean ear? You want to clean ear?
Yeah.
Okay. So you the next one.
Do you like one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When when onset done, you come the next.
And then a gum. Yeah. Ma.
Everyone don't worry. He's safe.
Everyone need to check.
You see,
Yeah.
is this? No, Ming Ming.
Clean another side ear. Yeah. Maybe he don't want to clean anymore. Yeah. But he's still silent for daddy to clean. Yeah.
Hello, Ming Ming.
And Ming Ming waiting to clean ear.
Yeah.
The next. This is another side have a big one. Wow, it's too big. My goodness.
Ôi lên cơ tờ lẹ chân mỏ.
Mình chắc là sao chữ và tin mà lỡ chữ.
Wow.
Chớ nè. Nếu mình có một chút ba. Bạn. Vô với tranh rồi, vô với Chỉnh hay nhỉ hay
Hello Minh Minh. Chưa à? Anh chị đăng về chơi chưa?
Mà thích cho máy nó buồn. Mà mượn.
After Minh Minh lên hên.
Me and mom.
You right?
Yes, and mom.
Me?
And mom.
Ming Ming, when he was a baby, my husband also cleaned his ear. So every child, they like to clean ear.
Minh Minh, are you okay? Okay?
Everyone
Ba.
ask
Yeah.
me also like to
Yes.
clean ear. Yes. Everyone looks so funny, and this way I think we have more
Hey, what are you doing here?
love in the family. So everyone try to. This is
Are you
small
done, Ming
thing,
Ming?
but I think
Oh my
the
god.
best memory
Cửa
for kids
Đó.
when they grow up.
Sết.
Time for Len Heng. Len Heng come the night from Ming Ming. Yes. Len Heng also he was clean on the baby too. Yes, everyone has been from the baby clean. Yeah. It is the best memory for daddy, mommy and child. We all love it.
On cho hai con này.
Cho nào. Hay ở đâu?
Cho hai ấy nè, papa cho ai ôn hai ấy nè. Hía, hai à? Ồ, mà mi mà đo.
This time for me. Me is the last one. Yeah. I was clean every month. My husband clean for us.
Chị lo rụt.
So we don't have much to clean. Just a little. It is a good memory for us. Okay, everyone, if you watch my video, so please like and comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching my video, my family cleaning ear blog. Okay, bye bye.